In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a lateral weight shift. So what we're going to be doing here is a single leg stability drill, and we're going to be bringing one leg away from the body whilst balancing on the other leg. As you do that, I want you to imagine you're like a pendulum. So you bring both feet at just a bit narrower than hip width apart. One leg's going to come out away from the body, and as you do that, your body is going to compensate by shifting as well the opposite direction. So my right leg's going away and my head and body is going the other way. So to do the repetitions, you can either alternate and do one side then the other, or alternatively, you can decide to do all one side and then do all the other side. Make sure you repeat the same amount of sets and repetitions on each side. If you are choosing to do this, you might want to either do repetitions, or you could choose to do this for seconds. So you might want to do, for example, 1 rep, but you might want to keep your position for, let's say, 10 seconds, or do more quick repetition-based exercises. It's completely optional and up to you, dependent on what you're looking at with the exercise. If this is really difficult for you, what you can do is stand in front of a wall and do this exact exercise where you might have just one finger on the wall and you're still working your single leg stability, but you've just got that little bit more balance when doing the exercise.